Salt beyond the shaker, 9 clever and surprising uses you need to try. Life hack, beyond just a spice, discover the myriad talents of salt beyond its seasoning role. From enhancing flavors to aiding in post-meal cleanup, this kitchen essential proves to be a versatile magician. Life hack, create a commonplace brine. Enhance the tenderness of chicken or pork chops for a weeknight dinner by soaking them briefly in a salty brine with water, kosher salt, and aromatic elements such as rosemary, thyme, lemons, or oranges before a 30-minute refrigeration. Life hack, eliminate stains. Prevent fresh grease stains on clothes by covering them with salt to absorb oils before washing, and for carpets, use a mixture of kosher salt and rubbing alcohol to help lift away grease stains. Life hack, clean dishes. To remove stubborn baked-on tomato sauce from a lasagna dish, soak it in heavily salted water for 30 minutes, then wipe or scrub with salt, but avoid using this method on non-stick pans to prevent damaging the coating. Life hack, amplify sweetness. Enhance the sweetness of sugary cookies like chocolate chip or gingerbread by adding a sprinkle of sea salt, which also works well on juicy fruits such as sliced mango, watermelon, and pineapple. Life hack, coat fish with a crust. Enhance your whole fish or root vegetables by encasing them in a flavorful salt paste made from a mixture of egg whites and kosher salt before baking for a deliciously moist and well-seasoned result. Life hack, mellow tart tastes. Enhance flavors by adding a pinch of salt to balance acidity in dishes like lemon pie or red wine vinaigrette, just like the familiar concept of a salt-rimmed margarita. Life hack, refresh your cutting board. Refresh and deodorize your wooden cutting board by sprinkling kosher salt on the surface and rubbing it with half a lemon in a circular motion to remove stains and unpleasant odors. Life hack, put out a grease fire. When dealing with a grease fire, never use water. Opt for methods like dousing with salt, throwing on baking soda, covering with a lid, or using a fire extinguisher to effectively control and extinguish the flames. Life hack, create an oyster bed. Elevate oyster presentation by placing freshly shucked shellfish on a chilled platter filled with coarse salt to prevent tipping and preserve their briny goodness. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.